So now it is very important how to build the healthy habits. It has to be your lifestyle. So 3 things that I need you to remember from this chapter. The first thing is set goals, and your goals has to be specific, but also these goals has to be accountable. So I'm gonna give you some examples like I want to lose 1% body fat and increase 1% body mass within 30 days by taking these 4 exercise classes from my gym, which is like cycle and weight training and yoga, whatever the classes is. So it makes you some specific goals, but also it's accountable. You sign up for the class and you push yourself to going. And the next part is make routines. And you can start committing yourself for 30 days. So just find your time. The best time to exercise is when you can do it. It's not morning or evening or afternoon. Whenever it works for you, whenever you can go to the gym or do workout, that's the best time for you. And the next thing is you gotta find the activities that you love to do. Even though, like for example, like swimming is a great exercise that I can swim and I'm not really enjoying it, then this is not a good exercise for me. However, I love to dance. I'm just any kind of dance I can take it. So that's how I got into fitness. I just started taking dance classes, and from there I was taking other classes as well. So find an activities that you like to do and makes you feel like fun and enjoy doing it. The last thing is you need to track the progress. And to start with, you need to write a workout journal. And it doesn't have to be like fancy, like diary. You can just use your phone and just keep it, keep it writing simple, like or leg workout, chest exercise, what time and what I did, something like that. So you want to see the progress that you're making, and also you gotta take the before and after pictures. You might not see the biggest changes after 2 weeks. However, after a month or 3 months, you're definitely gonna see from your body before and after, and it'll give you really motivation to work harder. So do this all that what I just told you, and then you will make this fitness as your habit, and you are good to go. Good job, and I'll see you for the next chapter.